back to Tom's Grilling. Today we're going to do something a little different on Tom's Grilling. We're not going to do no grilling, but today we're going to do some boiled peanuts. So I got about a half a bushel here of some good old green peanuts from our local produce stand here, which is Lamb's here. So if you're new to this channel, how about hit the subscribe button? How about hit the notification bell down there? How about leave me a like? It helps my channel out. So until then, we're going to get started. So what you need to do for these, as some people down here in the south like to call it, redneck caviar, or country boy caviar, you're going to put the peanuts in a big old pot. What I'm going to do is just get them in there and turn them around, spin them around, all that. What we're going to do is we're going to wash them and get all the dirt off of them as much as we can. It's probably going to take 2 or 3 tries. So, looks like a good kind of day to eat some peanuts. Got a little overcast day here today in South Carolina. That's all you want to do is just get them in there. Get that right there. We'll get them all washed up. Hold on a minute, I'll show you how dirty that water was. The water looks, that's why we washed them. Get them all clean before we cook them. Alright everyone, this here is the third wash. You know, you're not going to get them exactly clean, perfectly clean, but the water's starting to look pretty clear when I get done with it. This is our third washing. Good. About some of the cleanest peanuts I've seen. Not the cleanest, not the dirtiest, not the nastiest. But I have done 3 and 4 washes at a time. This is our third wash. I have done 4 and 5. But y'all can see in there the water starting to get a little cleaner, so maybe one more washing will be good. Alright everyone, we're going to go ahead and get this old bad boy here lit up. We'll let this one in so long. There we go. Get that flame there going. Put these bad boys on there. That little creature there out of there. Little bug. Alright, this is going to take about 3 hours of boiling, about 2 hours of resting. I like to go ahead and pour some salt in. Salt poured in there and don't have to worry about it later. You know, some people like to make it hot, so you can put some other spices in there, some Cajun stuff or cayenne pepper. We just like salt on ours. Today, excuse me. So today I'm just doing a half a bushel, so I'm going to put a can and a half of these. here. We'll let this come up to a hard boil. We'll cook about 2 hours, 3 hours, then let them rest. Soak in this salt water for about 2 hours. That way we'll get them off. Alright everyone. I think these things will come up to a hard boil. Yeah, there they are. Let these sacks up to this boil for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Right there 30 minutes, I'll come out here and comes off the bottom to the top to the bottom. Keep stirring. Alright everyone, I've been stirring these about every 30 minutes. I just haven't been showing the video of it every 30 minutes. Trying to get the ones off the bottom, ones on the top, and the bottom. That's all you do. We've been rolling these for about 2 hours now. Getting ready to be 2 hours. That's what we got so far. Alright everyone, we're at the 4 hour mark. That's good. Yeah, I think they're about done. Yeah, what we're looking at, what we're working with right there. Some of them, the holes start to come open, which that's okay. Means they're about done. Stirring these about every 30 minutes. Stir a little bit under. Probably just go ahead and kill the fire to this and let them sit in this water for a couple hours and get good and salty. Then we'll bag them up, give them away, and bag them up and put them in the freezer. Where we can take them out and have something to eat when we want. We're down there about 4.5 hours. They're all good. Then there's one little last stir in this water. You know what, I'm just going to go ahead and cue the fire to it. Like that. Yeah, so we're going to let these here sit here for probably about 2 hours or so. Let them sit in this water, soak up some of that salt. You don't get a whole lot of soaking up in the salt when it's cooking. You want to let them soak here for a couple hours. The longer you let them soak, the saltier they're going to be. Yeah. It's good right there. We'll let them ride like that for about 2 hours. One right here. She's kind of hot. We should have known that. Been sitting in that hot water. We'll get one out here and open it up, let y'all see what it looks like. Pull off, just press open like that. That's what you get. Peanut like that, boiled. Yeah, they're good. Country boy caviar right there. Alright everyone, peanuts are done. Let them cool off. We're gonna get them in some bags next. We'll get them in some bags in the morning. I'm just gonna put them in the refrigerator, let them cool off, and then I'll get them all bagged up. So until then, it's Tom's Grilling. Good old peanuts. Yeah. Until then, it's Tom's Grilling. We'll see y'all next time.